Hey guys, this is Jody. In this video, we're going to look at the 2023 Fleetwood Freedom Sport Pace Aero 35 BP. Fleetwood 2023 Pace Aero 35 BP. This at the show is $269,995. MSRP is $372,441. This is the Pace Aero made by Fleetwood RV.
No.
This one here?
These are ready for immediate delivery. You get a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty on the chassis and a 3-year RV owner care warranty with 45,000 miles structural warranty on these. And this is the Pace Aero. Here's the floor plans that are available. Everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. And here is the Pace Aero Class A diesel decor that you can purchase and order in your brand new RV. So let's go inside real quick. Stairs feel really good and solid. So you enter mid-cabin. To the left, you have the bedroom and bath area. You have the kitchen midship, if you will. And you have the dining room a little forward of that, as well as the couches a little forward of that. And then you have the cockpit up front with a bed over top. This is a Freightliner chassis, so you know it's going to last. Super great chassis made by Freightliner. All the controls you need at the helm here to make this a comfortable, smooth ride and enjoyable for everyone. Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV. Kenwood stereo system. You got a TV in here at the dinette area, which can fold into a bed. You got a nice kitchen, nicely appointed. You've got a microwave convection oven. You've got a 2-burner induction top, a 2-sided sink, fixtures and subway tiles in the back look nice. They have a Dirt Devil cleaning system. I noticed that down there. And they got a full refrigerator, LG refrigerator with this little latch here that pulls out of the way. Multi-flow air refrigerator and freezer on the bottom. You can tell those are good sized freezers. All right, let's head on back. Here's some bunks. Barn doors hiding the bunk area. So here's the bunk area. Got 2 nicely furnished bunk areas. Each have little cubby holes in here, so you can store your favorite toys and stuff in there. Have power with USB and lights back here on each one. Windows in each. And then back here's the bedroom. There's the bedroom. All this storage. These be kind of short drawers, but drawers nonetheless. And then you have this area back here, which I assume there's a washer and dryer in. You got a full-size washer and dryer here. A little hanging closet on this side. And the same on the other. Full-side hanging closet on this side. And then you've got a few cubbies above the bed where you keep everything, and then as you turn back and go towards the front, the bunks are over here on your right. In front of you is the bathroom. And so there's the bathroom. It's a step down into this. I'm going to carefully step down into here. And here's the shower. It's sort of a triangular shaped shower. It's kind of oval in the back. You can tell by the floor how it's kind of shaped there. 6 sides there to it. I don't remember what that is. A hectagon? It's not an octagon. That's 5, right? Measurements cabinet. And then there's a door that opens back up into the front. And here you are back again, mid cabin. Above the entryway is all of your leveling controls, bed lift controls, slide out controls, and so on. And that is the 2023 Pace Aero 35 BP.
Got to do like a wheelie.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.